What's up guys, my name is Jared. Today we're going to unbox Bushin Ashura. Okay, so the core, it's called Ashura, and the armor is called 10, and the layer is called Bushin. So the thing is called Hurricane and the disc is called Keep. And the user of this, the user is called Armin. So let's unbox this, okay? And I'm going to test this out with my brother later. Okay. Here we have the launcher. Okay, we have a mini launcher. And let's open this too. And we have this. Let's open this, okay? So it comes out with a disc and a layer. So let's put the disc with the layer first. Okay. Gotta push this. Yeah. Wait first, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So we have our disc. So now we have our disc. Let's check out the thing. It's called Keep. Now let's put it together. It looks so cool. Let me call my dad. Dad, can you come? Oh, okay. Can you help me put this disc, please? Okay, so let's concentrate on the layer first. And we have a Ashura. It looks so cool. Okay. Let's try to spin it. It's nice and clean, so I think we just crack and then shoot. It's nice and it looks cool, so let's try it out. Let's try this, okay? Okay. Bye guys. Hope to see you in another video. Bye.